Hi, this is Miss Karen at Patterson Library coming to you for a Crafternoon activity. This week I have snake puppets or snake decorations, and there are many different ways you can make them. I made this one that was all one color, this one that's got two colors, and this one that has 6 colors. So I'm going to show you how to do them. They're all made the same way. If you pick up a kit at the front desk, it will have in it a piece of a cardboard tube, which is the snake's head. It will have 6 pieces of construction paper in it. Some of them are one color, some of them are 2, some of them are 6. It will have a pair of eyes, and it will have a tongue. What you will need will be paints or crayons or anything you'd like to color your head, glue, and either tape or a stapler to put the whole thing together. So this is how you do it. First thing you'll want to do is get your head painted. I'm going to use dabbers because they're quick. You can do it as many colors as you'd like. You can go as far inside as you'd like. That's easier to do with crayons or paint. I'm going to do 2. And then you're going to leave the head to dry while you make the body. You don't have to do both sides because you'll probably only see one, but it's a lot more fun to do the whole thing. So we're going to let that dry. Then for the body, you're going to take any 2 pieces and you're going to glue them together like this at a 90-degree angle. Then you're going to just start folding them one over the other. You're going to keep doing that back and forth. As straight as you can. Until you get to the end. And you have just about an inch left. You're going to glue your next 2 pieces on straight across. Keep folding. Just to save some time, I'm only going to do these 4 pieces. I'm not going to do the last 2. It'll make my snake a little short. If, when you're making your snakes, you want them to be longer, you just need to find a couple more strips of construction paper and keep adding them until your snake is as long as you want it to be. I've seen some of them that hang all the way from the ceiling to the floor. When you make it as long as you want and you get close to the end, you're going to leave, again, just about an inch at each end. Put that aside. We finish up your head. Now for the head, you're going to flatten it a little. Whoops, I got glue all over. You can add your eyes. Now this part, oops, I didn't get scissors. If you want to take the extra piece of your paper here from the back of the eyes and cut them into fangs, you can add fangs to your snake. Then you want to glue on his tongue. and his fangs if you add them. You're going to take these two end pieces from his body, stick them inside his head, close it up, and either tape or staple his head on. And then, whoops, my tongue has a crooked tongue. You have your snake puppet. Hope you enjoy it, and I hope you make lots of them. Don't scare anybody too much, though.